This is Denise with Hardscape.com on a pool deck in Boynton Beach, Florida, where we came out and took pictures before the pool was even filled, before the pavers were installed. They were working on the coping. We've got our silver gray 16 by 32 by 3 cm, because that's what the homeowner wanted to use, a 3 centimeter on-made pool deck with our silver gray 16 by 32. And they did a great job on the landscaping. The coping was done on site on a 45. Fantastic job. Pavers look great. Now I've got the finished product here to show you guys. 16 by 32 by 3 cm silver gray on a pool deck in Boynton Beach, Florida. Very large pool deck. And the landscaping was phenomenal. Screen enclosure came out fantastic. Because the screen company was great to work with. They knew what tools to use, so they were able to do all their framework with no issues. So we got the 16 by 32 by 3 cm on the pool deck, silver gray. Hashtag Hardscape.com. Hashtag Deck and Dry Pavers did the installation. Give us a call if you want to have your pool looking like this. Hardscape.com.